Anderson, your text lingo is TTYL.
Talk to you later.
Woo! That's right! Miss Quanti, your word is BRB.
Be right back.
Yes!
Woo!
Next contestant is Mrs. Veek. Hi, Miss
Hola.
Veek. Okay, and your word is ROTFL.
Roll on the floor laughing.
Woo!
You got it.
We're asking you a text lingo, and we're asking you what IDC means.
I have no idea. Really?
We'll take a guess. Take a guess and see if you're right.
I have no idea. Why don't you ask me something easy like LOL
Because everybody knows that one.
or BFF?
How about Lilas? Do you know what Lilas is?
LYLAS.
Love you. I don't know.
Love you. You got the part right.
Okay, and what's the last letters?
LYLAS.
L. Y. Love you always.
Love you's right.
Yeah, that part's right.
That's the only one?
Yeah.
I don't know. What is it, girls?
Love you like a sister.
Oh, well, I have 5. And what about the other one? What was it?
IDC, I don't care.
Oh, God. Well, I don't care, girls. I'm sorry.
Hey, we're here with Mr. Sharp. His word is ILY.
I lost you.
Sorry, the